Okay, I've gone to the State Department website. You can see that here. Now, once I get there, I will go to educators. Then if you want to do, language arts, let's look at those first. These are a little different than math. In language arts, I go to the curriculum framework. What I like that they have here is, and I'm going to use third grade both times just because it's kind of in the middle, and so they have an objective analysis first. So it tells you, here's what they'll do under these objectives. And literacy only has these 8 objectives. And then you have your standards within that. So we can also click on the various standards, and it will give us the student actions and teacher actions that happen there. So, and this is a reminder that's on everything. So you have to know it's essential teachers are aware of how all objectives within and between strands work together for optimal instruction. And that's what we're looking for, is that optimal instruction. So I'm going to back out. I'm sure there's an easier way than that. But something else I like a lot that's under the frameworks is these student proficiency levels. So I'm going to pick the Reading Foundation Fluency. Let's just go there. So it gives you your objective here, and it works backwards. Here's when they're just developing this, they're approaching it. Now they understand the standard, or the objective, I'm sorry. So I like that. It gives you that for all of them, and I think that's very helpful when determining where students are on an objective. Now I'm going to go back to math. And I'm just backing out. Again, I think there's an easier way probably, but I don't want to miss anything. So mathematics. And if you notice up here, if you want to go to language arts, put in language arts there. Mathematics. So again, I'm going to the frameworks. These are really good. And again, I'm just going to go to third grade. So third grade. What they have in math is a suggested learning progression. So it tells you your units, how much time you should spend on each unit, the objectives you'll teach within that unit, because these can be bundled. We can bundle objectives. So here are those objectives listed. If you click on an objective, it tells you student actions, teacher actions, key understandings, misconceptions, pages and files. This will take you to all the pages and files for everything, but there's a better way. So Unit 1, I'm going to click it. It hands me all my essential questions, all the big ideas, your evidence of learning, and it gives you different ideas on activities. They're linked right within the big ideas. All these are links. It gives you lesson planning links, everything. So that's a huge help when planning. And that's what I suggest, is to follow those frameworks and look at that suggested learning progression, because it's immediately going to, I'm going to click on it again. It tells you how much time. So guess what? Your number relationships and additive thinking is 6 to 7 weeks. That means that's a huge skill 5 to 6 weeks, number relationships, multiplicative thinking. That's a huge skill in 3rd grade. So then it automatically does that for you. So you don't have to do that yourself. So that is my suggestion and what I would do